Hello friends, welcome to this YouTube channel. In this channel, I will be making educational videos on how to do various construction jobs on site. Please support me by subscribing to this channel. Now let's get straight into today's lesson. I have listed out 10 important points that a good civil engineer should know to be successful in construction sector, especially in building construction, so please watch this video till the end. These points are as follows. Number 1. Investigation of soil. Number 2. Standard codes used in construction. Number 3. Test of construction materials. Number 4. Use of surveying materials. Number 5. Drawings and designs. Number 6. Estimation and bill of quantity. Number 7. Bar bending schedule. Number 8. On-site management. Number 9. Coordination with workers. And the last point is number 10. Quality control. These are very important points that we should know as an engineer. We may learn these points when we were universities, but to be computational in the construction sector we should know these well on site. Now let's see these points one by one and precisely. Number 1. Investigation of soil. Is to carry out physical testing on site to understand the ground conditions for geotechnical design, foundations, retaining walls and soil improvement. Soil investigation must be undertaken to determine the bearing capacity of the soil, its settlement rate and the position of the water table. So one engineer should know the soil type on the site. Number 2. Standard codes of construction. Construction codes are the standards of the construction that one civil engineer should to follow in the construction field. These codes are governing as depends upon the country or the environment where the construction is going to be carried out. Number 3. Test of construction materials. The first thing a good engineer should know in construction work is the inspection of building materials. This means that the construction should be done by testing each building item and based on the results. There are various types of testing. Among these, for example, there are soil tests, concrete tests, steel tests, etc. Number 4. Use of surveying materials. Even if there is a surveyor for this task, but as an engineer we should know the basics of how to use the surveying instruments. These instruments include total station, theodolite, etc. Before we go to the next one, once like this video. Thanks for liking. Number 5 is about drawings and designs. One engineer must know how to read drawings and designs. Of course, an engineer is not supposed to be able to read blueprints, but it is his duty to understand and recognize the most complex designs. This is very important thing. Number 6. Estimation and bill of quantities. This quantity surveying is like take-off sheet, bill of quantity. It is the site engineer who determines how much the construction will cost. So one engineer should know this. Number 7. Bar bending schedule. This is simply knowing the rebar quantities used in the construction, the methods of the cuttings and bendings of the rebar and also how to reinforce of the rebars at the site according to the design. Number 8. On-site management. This means ensuring that any activity on the site is done properly and in a coordinated manner. It also involves ensuring that quality and standard work is completed promptly and on schedule. Number 9. Coordination with workers. This point seems simple, but it is a very important point because our relationship with employees is very important to improve our work. Our closeness and understanding with employees is crucial to the quality and speed of our work. And the last one is number 10. Quality control. Quality is one of the basic principles of engineering. It is our duty to provide quality construction to the user. A site engineer needs to know the quality of construction material to be used. If it does not happen, the danger will be serious for the country and the people. Please always remind and apply these points to be successful in your work. We all know that engineering is a very tough industry. When we construct a house, we should think of it as if we erected a monument because it is a memory or a name for us. And be aware that we must do our work properly and carefully. This is what my video for today looks like. Like the video and share to others. Also, if you have any questions or comments, please write me in the comments section below. Thank you very much for watching and following me. See you next time in another video. Bye bye.